In today's digital world, security is paramount. Yet, despite our best efforts, vulnerabilities persist. One such vulnerability, known as SQL injection, continues to haunt developers and organizations worldwide. So, what exactly is SQL injection? At its core, SQL injection is a type of cyber attack where malicious actors exploit vulnerabilities in an application's software to inject malicious SQL code. Inserting specially crafted input into a web form or URL parameter, attackers can manipulate SQL queries to perform unauthorized actions. Imagine a simple login form on a website. A legitimate user enters their credentials, such as username and password. However, a malicious user could input something like, or, 1 equals 1 foot into the username field, effectively bypassing authentication. The consequences can be devastating. Attackers can gain unauthorized access to sensitive information, modify or delete data, and even take control of the entire database. SQL injection attacks are not only prevalent but also highly damaging. They can lead to significant financial losses, reputational damage, and legal consequences for affected organizations. Fortunately, there are ways to mitigate the risk of SQL injection. Developers can use parameterized queries, input validation, and proper access controls to safeguard their applications. Remember, in the battle against cybercrime, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay protected.